Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be showing you how to make charcoal. To do this, we're going to need things like, we're going to need a bunch of firewood here, we're going to need an axe, a knife, and we're also going to need either a torch or some other way of lighting a fire. First thing we're going to want to do is hop off into the forest, and we're going to want to start cutting down some of these trees. Cutting down trees doesn't take too much time. Main thing that you have to do is once you have the trees cut down, then you need to plunk them into your inventory with your axe in order to convert these logs into a firewood log. And you'll need, in this case, at least 9 stacks of 32, although I have some extra. Now, technically, you can take a shovel and you can dig a 1x1 pit, and you can use, well, let's do a 2x1 pit, and you can use this to make 1 round of charcoal, but that's super inefficient. Like, a minimum amount you should probably want to do is a 3x3 for 9 stacks of this stuff. And then from there, you can just go in here, once we clear out all of this grass. In fact, I'm going to use my knife to do that, so we have some grass to start the fire with. Once we do that, we'll go ahead and clean out all of this grass. We're gonna stack up a bunch of stacks of this firewood. Once we're done stacking this thing full of firewood, we'll then be able to cover up the top of this new kiln, and we'll be able to use it to start a fire. When you start a fire to make charcoal, it has to be blocked off from oxygen, so you can't have any additional oxygen coming in here. So in total, if you want to fill up this 3x3 pit, you're going to want 27 stacks of firewood in total. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to stick to 9, just for the sake of convenience when recording this. So now I'm going to cap off the top of this particular set of charcoal, except for in the middle, where I'm going to actually put 1 additional stack of wood. And from here, I'm going to use that single dry grass that I got. I'm going to then surround this with wood, 4 more pieces, and then I'm going to stack this dirt around it on all sides because it needs to be completely blocked off from oxygen for this to work. From here, I'm going to take this lit torch that I mentioned at the start of this video. I'm going to shift, and I'm going to light this bad boy on fire. And once it says it's lit, I have 29 in-game minutes to cover it, or else it'll fail in the production of charcoal. If you're curious, a good way to tell about how long this will take is this will take about 36 real-world minutes, give or take, depending upon server settings, because you can change durations of days and stuff. But for the most part, you're looking at around half an hour, 36-ish minutes before this is done. You can also tell when you walk past this because there will no longer be smoke coming out of whatever block you're using to cap it. That'll mean that it's done. You can pop it open and you can get your firewood. Well, not your firewood, but your charcoal, because your firewood has been turned into it as it's been burning. Okay, so it's been almost 18 hours, and before this thing stops smoking, which is what's going to indicate to us that it's done cooking, you can tell that overall this whole thing is properly burning all the way down into all the wood below because the smoke was coming up from these other squares. But now as I'm talking, all of the smoke from everything except for my torch has stopped, so we're going to get out my shovel, and we're going to go ahead and dig it up. So there's our charcoal down there, and there should be 10 whole big old chunks of it waiting for us underneath all of this dirt. And that's exactly what we want. And that, in a nutshell, is what you have to do in order to make charcoal. And charcoal is important because you need something that burns as hot as charcoal in order to make things like copper ore. And when you go ahead and just break this into a bunch of pieces, And each layer of charcoal should give you one nice big old chunk of charcoal that you can use for other things. That's basically it in a nutshell. So this burns really hot, and then you can start using this for things like making copper combinations of alloy to make even higher tiers of material. If you really want to be super duper efficient about this sort of thing, you can make up to, I believe, an 11 by 11. If we look up charcoal inside of the guide here, you can make 11 by 11 by 11, and that can be your maximum size, and you can basically make an entire cave's worth of charcoal in one fell swoop. You just have to make sure that the container is completely sealed to the outside world so that it doesn't get any oxygen in there, and it'll actually properly form all of the charcoal. I hope you found this helpful. This has been a quick guide to Vintage Story. The whole general idea is a axe, you chop down some trees, you use that same axe to convert that into different logs of firewood. You crouch to place it down on the ground. Then once you've got a nice stack going, you can place a piece of dry grass on top with 4 more pieces of firewood, and then presto changeo, you've got it lit, and then you can cover it up with blocks. I just use dirt in order to keep a solid seal on it while it slowly burns. And funny enough, this is actually how they make charcoal in real life. It's kind of what it's based off. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.